Today, we are going to make the world's largest frozen bubble. Bad news.
This one has a hole.
To start, we're going to inflate this Wubble Bubble ball. To keep it from flying away, we're going to tuck a string in it so that we can tie it down outside. Now that I've got it tied, it's not going to be able to go anywhere. Fill up the sprayer with cold water. Pump it up and adjust the nozzle so that it's a mist. To keep the ball in place, we're going to tie it to the pole of a broomstick. Now let's head outside where it is warmed up to -5 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using the popped one as a cushion underneath and 2 bricks to hold it down. Now we're going to start to spray the ball with the mist of water in layers to let it freeze. Alright, it's frozen. Gotta bring it back inside to warm up. And we're gonna have to go unfreeze it again. So you can hear that is got a layer of ice on the outside now. Whoops. Looks like I gotta be a little bit more careful. The ball is losing air. Oh boy. So I gotta get some more layers on there before it breaks. Continue to repeat this process by spraying, letting it freeze, spraying again and again. You'll notice if you leave it out for a while, come back and spray it, it will crack. But don't worry, you can spray it down again, and again, and again, and again. I'm now going to try to loosen the frozen bubble from the ground. Well, that didn't work. I was hoping to be able to loosen it up. Now that it is dark out, remove the pole. So we're gonna pop the ball. And add some lights. Make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota Cold and how-to videos of ours.